Hi! In this video, we will quickly tell you about TrafficGuard. TrafficGuard detects, mitigates, and reports on mobile ad fraud before it hits your mobile advertising budget. 3 formidable layers of protection block both general invalid traffic, GIVT, and sophisticated invalid traffic, SIVT, to ensure that mobile app advertising results in real app users. With visibility of traffic across thousands of campaigns, TrafficGuard's machine learning can identify emerging patterns, trends, and indicators of fraud quickly and reliably. TrafficGuard protects your ads from known and unknown fraud tactics. TrafficGuard uses a variety of methods to detect known and unknown fraud tactics. Where practical and efficient, we use rules. One type of rule might be to stop traffic when we see the same user engaged with the same ad over and over in quick succession. We have an extensive rules library that facilitates the validation of each ad engagement. TrafficGuard's surgical approach utilizes behavioral analysis and device profiling to build an intricate profile of devices, IPs, traffic sources, site ID, and other key characteristics over time. The profiles built around these characteristics enrich the data we collect on each ad engagement to inform precise and reliable validation decisions. How does TrafficGuard help drive campaign ROI with real app users? If 25% of your traffic is currently ad fraud, that is a quarter of your budget that isn't delivering any ROI at all. When you stop ad fraud, that 25% can go towards real advertising engagement that might click for Google Ads or app installs for CPI campaigns, etc. When real people engage with your ads, they have the potential to become customers and deliver advertising ROI. Thank you. I hope that information helped. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more information about TrafficGuard and discover my business solutions for your business. Bye.